Do you get diet apathy, especially when you're on a bit of a break or a maintenance session? Me too. I'm going to tell you how I'm getting through it. Well, if you've been watching these, you'll know that I'm on a bit of a break and trying to maintain. And there's no getting away from it, I'm getting a bit of apathy. I'm struggling with snacking. That's always been my downfall. And here's how I'm coping with it. I'm still doing my habits for breakfast and lunch, which breakfast is overnight oats and lunch is pasta and tuna at the moment. But it's my evening meal and things that I'm falling down on. So the way I'm coping is to still stick to the two habitual things, so that if I do go mad, I've only gone mad for half the day. But it's not a great strategy. The other thing I've done is I've drawn a line in the sand. And when I hit 15:10, I'm back on the diet. I'm hoping it will last another couple of weeks. I've got a trip coming up to Paris and I don't want to be on a diet in Paris. In fact, I'm not going to be on a bloody diet in Paris. So that's how I'm dealing with it. How are you dealing with it? Do you have problems? Or do you just go off track and then come back in when all of a sudden your jeans don't fit? As you can see from the last few videos, I've not had a lot to say, and it's going to be the same this week. This is going to be a really quick message just so that I'm checking in. That's the other way I'm coping with my apathy. I'm still making these videos. It's week 81. I've been good for about 75 of them. Right. I am still 4 stone lighter than when I started. It was 5 stone, and I'm dangerously close to that 15:10. And going forward, I think next week's video is probably going to be as short, if not shorter than this one. And then after that, I'll be back from Paris and I will be trays fat. I've got a bit of company tonight and they're not getting my jokes. So if they're not landing with Book, they won't be landing with you. Trays fat, that's funny.
That is funny, but I wasn't listening.
Oh, right. If you're listening, trays fat was funny. Anyway. Sorry, it should be trays grande. Right. So, knock it on the head. Hopefully I'll see you next week. Hopefully I'll be a bit more enthused and I'll start putting up some food related stuff and I'll be back on a diet. But definitely the week after. Thanks for watching.